We're at the Central Hotel in Jimma, the last stop before we fly home to Chicago. And I'm very excited. They have wireless. I hope I can get on Wi-Fi. 3 weeks in Ethiopia, and the Hotel Central is the first place that can really be considered luxurious. Inside and outside restaurant. Gigantic menu. That's in English that I can actually read, not in Ethiopian. This is what the Hotel Central in Jimma looks like. The rate is $20 US a night. As I said, they have internet, swimming pool, hot water, satellite TV, and the toilet even flushes. Our last stop in Ethiopia, and it is a good one.